With the rise of cosmetic procedures, it's no wonder that the standard for cosmetic brands has shifted. In this day and age, brands focus on keeping your skin tighter and your complexion looking younger for as long as possible. If you're looking to firm up your skin but don't know where to start, this episode is for you. Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Beauty Talks with Rashad. On this show, we dive deep into everything related to skincare in order to help you perfect your routine and get a healthy, radiant complexion. Today's video will tackle the subject of saggy skin. We'll discuss what causes saggy skin, where it's seen on the body, and how you can treat it. As always, I'll share a few products that you should consider buying next time you're out skincare shopping. So if you want to know more about how to keep your skin firm, keep watching. Having wrinkles or sagging skin is completely normal. It just means you're going through the aging process. However, it may lower your self-esteem and make you want to look for solutions that can help you plump your skin. Don't worry, we're here to help. But first, it's important to properly understand skin sagging. What are the factors that cause sagging skin? Dermatologists recommend that you start an anti-aging routine at the early age of 25. And that's no mistake, in fact. There are a lot of factors that can contribute to saggy skin. They are divided into two categories, intrinsic aging and extrinsic aging, meaning that there's internal and external factors that can cause your skin to sag. Starting with internal factors, intrinsic aging is an unavoidable genetic process that naturally occurs and causes you to age with time. Its speed varies from one individual to another. Decrease in elastin production. As we age, our body stops producing elastin like it once did. The lack of elastin, which is the protein that provides tightness to the skin, subsequently results in loss of suppleness. Decrease in collagen production. Like elastin, the production of collagen reduces with age. The main function of collagen is to keep the skin firm and tight. Weight loss. Losing weight can contribute to saggy skin. This type of sagging is mostly apparent on the face, in the cheeks, and around the neck. Pregnancy. During these 9 months, a woman's body changes drastically, and in most cases, women put on some extra weight. This could lead to saggy skin, especially around the stomach area. Now, what are the extrinsic factors? Extrinsic factors are external factors such as sun exposure. Being exposed to the sun without sun protection for an elongated period of time can accelerate the aging process and significantly reduce the production of collagen in the skin. Health factors. Smoking, pollution, poor diet, and alcohol consumption can make your skin age prematurely. Now for the part that you are waiting for. How can you treat sagging skin using only products? While sagging skin cannot be completely reversed without medical interventions like surgery, there are measures you can take to improve its appearance and promote a more youthful look. Facial massage. If you want to get rid of loose facial skin, an amazing technique would be to massage it. Apply a few drops of the Perfect Glow Serum on your neck and massage it using up and out motion across your jawline. Repeat until the serum has been completely absorbed by the skin. Body massage. After a shower, apply the Perfect Glow oil on areas you would like to treat, like the legs, the arms, or the stomach. Massage your skin in upward motions to give the skin a lifting effect. Repeat until the product is completely absorbed. Firming products. The use of targeted shower gels like the Perfect Glow Clarifying and Exfoliating Shower Gels can help your skin regenerate faster and healthier. Both products work to help clean the skin and nourish it down to its deepest layer, boosting cell regeneration. Using firming creams and lotion is also considered one of the most effective methods when it comes to increasing skin tightness and cell turnover. Try applying the Perfect Glow cream and lotion twice a day to help reduce the depth of wrinkles and increase skin firmness. Exercising. Building muscle mass through weight training exercises can help decrease the appearance of loose skin, especially if the loose skin is from weight loss. Stay hydrated. We almost always mention this step because it truly is important. Try to drink an adequate amount of water daily to keep your skin hydrated from within. This helps maintain skin elasticity and prevents it from appearing loose or saggy. So, there you have it guys, a complete rundown on saggy skin and how you can treat it. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more beauty tips and tricks. Thanks for watching! Take care and I hope to see you soon. Bye!